today we are meal prepping again. I'm just here to serve and come as my authentic self, and whatever that cultivates is fine with me. Peace and love. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today we are meal prepping again. I have a couple videos on this channel, or maybe one where I meal prepped and then a few where I've actually cooked some plant-based meals, and then 2 videos where I did a 32-day all raw foods. I have a part 1 and a part 2, so if you guys haven't checked that out, make sure to go tune into that after this video. We are meal prepping today. I am going to be starting off with some fruits. So I'll be cutting up some peaches. We're making a fruit bowl. I'm gonna also be cutting up some strawberries, some kiwi, and some pineapple. And this is gonna be our fruit mixture. I'm gonna be making a meal so that I can have something at least during the day when I am out and about. I'm trying to make enough to where I can have this meal up until Saturday at least. So just 5 days. After a couple days, I'll be ready for a new meal. So I'm just gonna be mindful of that so that I'm not wasting food. But we are here and we are gonna be doing some quinoa, some arugula. The base is gonna be arugula. Then I'm gonna have some quinoa over top of that. And then I'm gonna do like some curry, sweet potato and chickpea type of mixture, and that is going to be our meal. We're gonna get right into it. If you guys are new here, welcome. I'm Ajay. This channel is all about plant-based lifestyle, natural living, mindfulness, consciousness, entrepreneurship, business, woman, literally my life and what I desire to put out and show you guys. So we're gonna get right into it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the whole video and follow me on all my social medias down in the description below.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? thought this would end, but then the season changed.
You were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby. Oh yeah. That's right.
And I will turn into a butterfly. I will spread my wings in the air. Whoa. And I'm too fly for the shit. Oh, I am Japanese. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheap beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't really want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you
seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave this. I said that dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, just one two step, one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast, slide my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave this. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah.